Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your McDonald's app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here until you will find here apps. Click on it. You come to apps list and here you're looking for McDonald's app, or just click here on search. So then you just click here on or add here McDonald's. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on for stop. Click on OK. You scrolling down here. Click here on storage. Click on clear cache. So then all you have to do next, you just go here to your Play Store. Click on it. Then here you search for McDonald's app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.